Hello, hello, beautiful people. You know, it's very interesting to see this aliveness, this existence. You can call it life or the world. When it's seen that this is all there is. This meaning all that seems to be happening or not. I could also say all that is happening right now, but there is no now. When this is seen as being all there is, no future, no past, nada. All the concepts about how things should be disappear. Is that simple? Simple. Simpler than that. And if you start telling people that this is all there is, and there is nothing more than what's happening, they become very irritated, very frustrated, even angry. The moment you don't follow their story, the moment you engage into their stories. What story? Stories about how things should be. Like you should be doing breath work or channeling or I don't know, ice bath, water fasting, uh, crystal therapy, sound therapy, angel therapy. Well, if this is all there is, what's the fucking point? I'm not saying that there is something bad with doing chakra meditations, aligning yourself with nature, becoming one with the whole. Is just futile. That's conceptual bullshit. That's all there is. There are some people who are even telling you that they can read your energy. You should be doing tantra, qigong, or tai chi. Stay in your head to raise your fucking energy because you're so low. And you can see how aggressive they are when they tell you about so-called energy stuff or healing stuff. That anger comes straight from fear. Yeah, they are so fucking afraid. They are always chasing the next moment, trying to control it, saying that this is not enough, is not good, and by doing some spiritual shit, You'll be better, but not now. Never now. You'll be better the next moment, tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow, or next month. After you complete, you complete what they are recommending you to do, and there is no time, no next moment, no next day. There are also many people who are telling you to be grateful. What a fucking joke. Even if there was a me, even if there was a person in that body, which is not real, when it's seen that this is all there is, even if you know, only know there is no time, which is a scientific fact, time is not real. If you know there is no tomorrow, no yesterday, what's the point of being grateful? What's the point of being compassionate? You know, those people who says, thank you, universe, thank you, God, thank you, motherfucker, thank you, flower, thank you, rain. That's neurotic behavior. Nothing wrong with that. That's also what's happening. But what's the point if this is all there is? Not to mention, there is no you. This me story, the person's story, it's fucking incredible. They are afraid. They are so identified with fear that they are so fucking afraid to lose fear. And they keep entertaining this energy with all these practices. Yes, even gratitude, generating more fear. I mean, look around you. Look around you. Don't believe what the fuck I'm telling you right now. If these practices were useful or real, is if these practices could have an effect, everybody should be okay right now. Look at the people fighting for peace. Is the war stopped? No. Look the fuck around you. It's that simple. I mean, if this is all there is, this aliveness, how the fuck could this aliveness be grateful for being already what it is? Aliveness. It makes no sense. That's stupid, at least. This is all there is. No time. No tomorrow, no yesterday. Gratitude is another conceptual bullshit. Another story of me trying to validate itself as being real. And that generates more fear, more frustration, more unfulfillment. And it's, as you all see, it's not working because it's false. The root of all these stories, including gratitude, is this fucking me, which is an illusion, Nobody can find the me. Nobody can send me a picture with the self, with itself. And please don't send me pictures with bodies. I'm sick of it. Nobody can find it. You only know that you are a person. You only know you have free will. As you know that you have to do shit to be better, implying that you are not okay right now. But it's worse than that. There is no you. And this is also what's happening. Nothing good and nothing bad. Nothing wrong or good with the world. There is no world. Just this ungraspable aliveness, unknowable freedom. And even this is a fucking story. So don't believe it. There are some moments when I tend to give rights to Osho, who said life is a cosmic joke. Yep. Life joking with itself, lifing this absolute nothingness, being everything. Have a good one, my friends.